Hello everyone, in this video I show you how I made this placket in middle of this dress. The same kind of placket you can make in your kurtis also. We made a cut in middle of the front side of dress. This is about 3-inch wide fabric. The right side of the dress is up. I kept that long strip of fabric under this cut, and starting from the marking, that blue marking which is at the end of the cut, I stitch till the end. It is a simple straight stitch till the end. Open this strip now and turn it towards the right side of the dress. From the bottom, this dress is slightly longer than the strip, so I'll cut it or I'll fold it in the end. There are many ways to make a placket, and this is one of the simplest method which I like. This is end of our cut, or I can say starting of the cut, where I marked with a blue chalk. Here we finish the stitch. The other side, the same 3-inch wide fabric and longer as the cut of your dress, and here from the top I keep about 1 inch and then mark it. This 1 inch we have to keep up, and we don't have to stitch on this, so the cut would be on the marking. You have to watch this video till the end to understand it better, and once you understand how to make a placket, you will find it quite easy to make a placket for any kind of dress, whether it is a kurta, a kameez, or your sleeves, or a slit like this one in a dress. Same method, simply fold it or turn it, fold it twice. This is the right side of the dress, and we turn the placket towards the right side of our dress. My placket is slightly shorter. Okay, so here on the starting of the cut, I make a small cut, and it's better if we iron it so that it is easier to fold it, and then we turn it to cover the other side. It will be folded this way, and it is covering the other side of the placket. From the top we had left about 1 inch. We'll turn it inside. From the end, leaving about 1 inch, we start stitching. This is a simple method of making a placket. We turn it and make multiple stitches. One more here. Then turn it. Lift the presser foot. Needle may be inside. Keep it back till the bottom. Make a straight stitch folding the placket. So this is done, almost done. You can use buttons or hook or fancy buttons, or you can leave it open just like a slit, the way I kept it open without buttons, or you can use buttons. So this is simple method. I hope you liked it. So please like and share. Use the buttons if you want to, and stay subscribed for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.